He oranga ngākau I te hokinga mai ki tōna Tūrangawaewae. Mō tēnei kaitākaro riki, rongonui nei.
All the years playing here, and it's crazy now. Now I'm playing in the big stadiums, and grateful for everyone, and grateful for the club, and proud to be from Tūrangawaewae Rugby League club. And wouldn't change it for the world.
Ka waitohua e Aublix Tawha no Waikato I tētihi kirimana mō te rua tau ki te kapa NRL o ngā Brisbane Broncos mō te tau e tū mai nei.
I'm super proud to be Māori and to be able to represent my culture, and playing on the big stage over there is pretty cool, and especially a lot of my teammates tend to want to learn about a bit about my culture.
I te tau e 2023, ka hūnuku a Tawha ki ahitereiria ki te whai ona moimoi a riki. Ko ia tētihi o ngā kaitākaro o te karapu nei o te haukainga.
Now I had to leave my family and leave my job and leave a lot of things behind here in New Zealand and head over to Australia with, I didn't have much. I think I had like $500 or something when I first got there, and I sort of just made do.
Hei tā Tawha, ko tana tupuranga ki ngā whira nei o te karapu o Tūrangawaewae, ko tana kurahuna.
The uncles, you expect you to play anywhere, so if someone gets injured or whatever, you get chucked in the deep end, and you're like 16 and you have to go play prop. And now I'm sort of getting chucked in the deep end up in the NRL, which is sort of I'm okay with, because it's something I went through growing up here. Because I think a lot of talent gets looked over and missed. Everyone's just focused on Auckland, so I think definitely if they're able to bring some more development programs and stuff around these little regions, then that'll help out heaps.
Ko te whana I te pōro ki Wainganui tonu I ngā rākau e rua kia whai piro ai tētihi o ngā manako nui a Tawha mō tana kapa hou hei te tau hou. Mai o Hapanapa, ma Aukaha.